Hi there, fourth grade. Another math game coming at you here. We are going to talk about angle race. This can be found on page 249 of your SRB. There's going to be two different ways to play this, boys and girls. The first one is with a geoboard, and the second one is going to be without. And if you're playing without, you will have a piece of paper provided that looks like this. And I'm going to explain both of them. So you're also going to have a deck of cards, a degree measure cards. You're going to take those to get started. You're going to shuffle them up, keep them in a pile, and place them number side down on a flat surface. If you're using a geoboard at this point, you're going to take that first rubber band and go from the middle up to 0 degrees. So a straight line. It's going to look like 12 o'clock on a clock. If you're using the circular geoboard paper, you're with a straight edge and a pencil, you're going to draw a line from this dot up to the 0 degree mark. Now the purpose of this game, the point is, one, we're working on angles, but another one is we're trying to get to 360 degrees before your partner does. So let's run through this. Let's say it's my turn and I go first. And we're going to take turns. We're partners, so that's a nice thing to do. I'm going to select a card from the top of the deck. Let's say I select a 90-degree card. Now, our line is already drawn here. That's our line. We drew that earlier. So I would use this here as one side of my angle, and then I need to create a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to draw a line over to here. We're going clockwise around the clock. Now that was my turn. So that was my turn. So I'm going to switch colors on the pen. Let's say it's my partner's turn and they pull a 15-degree card. They're going to use this line, the last line that was drawn, and add 15 degrees to that. So that's going to be 105 degrees. 90 plus 15. And that's theirs. And then it's back to my turn. I'm going to pull another card. Let's say this time I pull a 30-degree card. So it's going to be 35 degrees. See how that's going to work, boys and girls? And you're going to keep going all the way around until someone lands on 360 degrees. Now, if, let's say, we are here and the game's almost over, and that was the last card drawn, and we're at 330 degrees. If I pick a number that takes me past 360 degrees, I lose my turn. You have to land right on 360 degrees. So for this example, I would need to move 30 degrees exactly. Any more, and I lose my turn. Make sense? Good. If you're playing with the geoboard, same concept. Instead of drawing lines, you're just using your little rubber bands. Okay? And each one of these notches represents 15 degrees. Just like our paper down here. Okay? So the first player to complete an angle exactly to 360 is the winner. Boys and girls, I think this is a fun game. There's some strategy there. You're using what you know about angles as well as drawing those. Remember, you're going clockwise around, taking turns, drawing cards, and filling in those angles until someone gets to 360 degrees.